In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Namecheap domain to Odoo if you are setting up a website or an online store with the Odoo and you have purchased your domain from Namecheap. The guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, your domain will be fully linked to your Odoo's account. Let's get started. First of all, you have to log in into your Namecheap, and again you have to log in into your Odoo application website. When you are in Odoo website, click on the profile and go to my data. After that, you have to click on the setting. Now here you can say domain names. Click on that. Now I will get this three option: use my own domain, get a new domain name, and discard. I will click on use my domain. Now I have to paste the domain which I bought in Namecheap. So just go into Namecheap. Now from here you have to click on domains. It will redirect it to your first of all you have to go to dashboard. After going dashboard, you have to click on domain list. Right now I don't have any domain in the Namecheap, so I will tell you some steps you have to follow when you come into domain list. Now these are the steps you can follow after logging into Namecheap. First of all, as I said, go to domain list, click on your profile icon and top right corner, select the dashboard. From that you will see the domains and find the domains you want to connect and click manage. From there you have to edit DNS settings. For that you have to scroll down to the advanced DNS tab. Look for any existing CNAME record with the www as the host or delete them if they exist. After that you have to add a new CNAME record. Click on add new record, select the CNAME record. In the host field enter www. In the value target field enter your Odoo database URL, which is this one, which you have created in the Odoo. Now from there you have to now set the TTL to automatic. Now from there you have to click save. Now you have go to verify in Odoo, head back to the username setting, click verify. It should say DNS configuration seems good. From there you have to enable SSL HTTP. For example, I will show you. Just go to in these settings, and from here you can say Odoo will generate an SSL certificate for that, and click confirmation. It is done. Is in Odoo. Wait for a few hours for change to take effect. And this is how you can connect your Namecheap domain to the Odoo. If this video found helpful, then like this video and thanks for watching.